Introducing the 4D 5D BIM Construction Simulator. Import your project schedule from Excel in seconds, not hours. Then add your budget and actual costs with a single upload, hit play, and watch your... building construct itself in real-time 4D track live progress against the schedule while monitoring planned versus actual costs in 5D. Every element builds exactly as scheduled from foundation to finishing. In minutes, you have a complete digital twin ready for stakeholder reviews and analysis. It all works with simple Excel templates anyone on your team can edit, upload, simulate, optimize. Start transforming your construction planning today